Okay, which of the following nursing diagnoses would probably be appropriate for a patient with a body mass index of 39? I'll give you
B.
20 seconds to go through it. Okay, how many say A? B, C, and D? Why B instead of A? Because what? They're already there. They're not at risk for. They're already there. A patient with a BMI of 39 is classified as obese. The patient is not at risk because it already has a problem. Which information should the holding area nurse report to the operating room team? Okay. Did y'all read them all? Not yet? Give you a few more seconds. Okay. How many say A? How many say B? How many say C? How many say D? All right, what happened to the rest of you?
Between A and C.
A and C. Good job. Okay, let's bring it between A and C. Everybody has to raise their hand. How many say A? How many say C? C. Why C?
It goes bone to the heart and vessels.
Because of the
The anesthesia. I would connect smoking with anesthesia.
Smoking with anesthesia. Respiratory. Respiratory.
But wouldn't they have already known that in the assessment, in the initial assessment?
If the operating room nurse read it. But what you don't want to, what is one of the areas that we have the greatest patient errors besides medication, because that's number one. Besides medication areas, what is one of the other areas that we have the greatest errors in the hospital?
Operating room?
Huh?
Is it the operating room? The emergency information?
Lack of information?
Communication. Communication, not communicating. Now, for those of you that answered this one, the key word in this answer, guys, permanent, which means it should be secure. If it was a partial bridge, I would have answered that one. But the key word, permanent, which means it should be secure. It should not be a problem.
So what happened with the anesthesia?
Because of the amount of smoking that they do, they are at greater risk for complications with anesthesia. Plus, they're obese. These are not necessarily linked to obese, but I tried to link them to the obese problems. Smoking and anesthesia, big problem. Okay? And there's this one I did not get from Taylor. The ones that you see from Taylor are from your fundamentals book. Moral of the story, build on past knowledge. This one I get it from these cards that I use for NCLEX.